So now today we are going to discuss about the short PR interval. Okay. Now we know that prolonged PR interval is due to AV block. Okay. Now before we understand the short PR interval, first we should know what is short PR. Now we know physiologically the PR interval, which was due to the physiological AV nodal delay, was 0.12 to 0.20. That is a normal. So anything less than 0.12 second is a short PR, or 0.12 second if you see on the ECG paper, that is the 3 small square. So if the PR interval is less than 3 small square, it is a short PR interval. Now we understand how this PR will be shortened. So before going to that, let's understand something which is very basic, that in the heart we know there are 4 chambers, but these 4 chambers are structural or anatomical chambers. When you go electrical, only there are 2 chambers, that is the atria and the ventricle, which is separated by this the isoelectric ring. Okay, so this is the isoelectric AV ring which separates the atria and ventricle. Okay, so the conduction can't pass through from directly atria to ventricle. That's why we have a special conduction system in a heart which starts in the SA node. From SA node the current goes to the AV node, from AV node current goes through the His bundle, and after that left bundle branch, right bundle branch, Purkinje fibers, and the ventricle gets depolarized. Fine. So this AV node, when the current goes, there is a physiological delay which causes the PR interval. So if I want to shorten the PR interval, I have to bypass this AV node. Okay, how to bypass this AV node? So let me create one accessory pathway from atria to ventricle directly. If this kind of pathway is there, the PR interval will be shortened. Now this accessory pathway happens in 2 conditions. One is known as the Wolff-Parkinson-White syndrome, that is WPW. Okay, Wolff-Parkinson-White syndrome. And second, it happens in the LGL, that is Law-Ganong-Levine syndrome. Okay, Law-Ganong-Levine syndrome. Fine. So what we understood is the PR interval normally we get due to AV node delay, but if we bypass this PR interval, we get shortened PR interval, which will be due to either WPW and LGL syndrome, which has the accessory pathway. Fine. So this is the causes of the short PR interval.